Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Thursday, April 11, 2019 and the time is around 3:45 a.m. GMT. So today we are looking at the chart of the Facebook. This is a 45 minutes chart, short-term chart here. We can see from this chart that this starting point on March 25th is labeled as a wave 2, okay, at $162. Then the rally from here is unfolding as an impulse. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? A nice 5 waves structure here. You can see each sub-wave of the 1, 3, and 5, they are all subdivided into an impulse of the lesser degree. So this wave 1 in red subdivides into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in black. Subdivision of wave 3 also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And this one also looks impulsive, even though we don't this is too short for us to label it, otherwise it's going to be too crowded. But this one also is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just if we put the label here, it becomes too crowded here. Okay, and this pullback now is in the wave 4, in the blue pullback. We are looking for possibly one more leg lower, even though it's not really a sell, right? With the right side being up, that means we favor more upside. Since the trend still is to the upside, it still has a chance to do another leg lower to finish a WXY correction, right? This is a WXY correction. So as far as this dip here in the wave 4 does not break below 162, right? It continues to be bullish for now, so it can continue to be pulling back in a larger degree, but as far as it stays above 162, it is expected to eventually go higher again in the wave 5, right? Now what if Facebook breaks higher tomorrow? Well, if that happens, then perhaps it's still within the wave 5, right? Perhaps this is only ending with 105, and then you got a wave 2 of 5 here. If that's the case, just giving you some sort of alternate. And then if it breaks higher, then we are still within the wave 3 of 5 now, still within the wave 5, right? But if not, if it again starts to turn lower, then we expect the pullback to continue to find buyers or to continue to find support, as long as it does not break below this 162, right? So let's say suppose that we are pulling back from where we are now, let's say, then what will be in the support? What will be in the support area? It's pretty simple. You're using the 3-7-11 swing. It's basically is the W equal to the Y. That will be your support area here. All right, then you can measure it yourself and then look to trade as you like. Now let's step up and let's step out and look at the larger degree. This is the 4-hour. It's not a complete label. Again, for complete labels, you can always check our service in the group 3. Facebook is in the group 3, and we offer 14-day free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. Okay, so you can see right here, starting from the December 24, 2018, which is the low in pretty much all the world indices as well, we have a rally from late December of last year, right? We got a rally. Now we can see that this rally here so far is a sequence of a higher high, right? It's a sequence of a higher high and higher lows, and this looks to be in the biggest swing from the lows here. So in other words, this is what we call connector, right? This is swing number 1, this is swing number 2, and we are in the swing number 3. Now the swing number 3 ideally should reach equal to the swing number 1. Now we are quite far away from the equal. Now if this has the potential to go equal, it can go to as high as $210, but that is being quite aggressive from where we are now, 178, to go to 209. So the less aggressive view here is just the next swing target here, which is going to be the 61.8 extension, alright, which is $190. So we're looking for a move higher to around $190 at least here, which is 61.8 extension of this relation, of this swing relation using the Fibonacci. Now I put down all this label here. This is the same label you can see. So this is wave 2 here on the 1 hour chart earlier. So this is the same wave 2 right here. So in other words, the move higher from here, which is on March 19, is in a 5 waves. We can see a very nice wave 1 in blue. Now wave 1 in blue is not visible in the 1 hour chart, but this is your wave 1 in blue, this is your wave 2 in blue, which is the starting point in the 1 hour chart. Then you have an extended wave 3 subdivides into a 5 waves of the lesser degree, and you're looking to finish with 4 and then one more leg higher. Again, it can potentially target $190, but at least usually you can measure target to wave 5 equal wave 1 at least to the upside once the wave 4 is complete, of course, right? So for now, it looks to be incomplete. It looks like it's only 1, 2, 3 right now, right? So we are looking for at least one more push higher, and with this incomplete sequence, a high sequence from December 2018, that further support the view that Facebook can see more upside still in the shorter cycle. Okay, so that's the update for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and see you all again next time.